napakabuti ng Panginoon. There are times in our lives, maalala ninyo, pwede naman talagang lumubha yung resulta ng ating mga desisyon. Pero somehow, inadya tayo ng Panginoon sa kapahamakan. Alam nyo yan kung kailan yung mga moments na yon in your lives na talagang kabutihan ng Panginoon ay showed up for you. Maybe through another person by lending a helping hand. Maybe through your parents. Maybe through a friend. That is God saying to you, I am here, anak. Hindi kita nakalimutan. I see you. I know you. I know you. God is telling you, I know you. Bilang ko ang buhok sa iyong mga ulo. Alam ko kung kailan ka natutulog, ba't ka nagpupuyat.